Giving a competitive exam like CA, CFA, UPSC, CAT, NEET, etc., are you also working with it? Hey, CA students, especially calling out for you. And are you struggling to maintain a work-life balance and studying, doing both together? फिर personal life पे आ जाता है. If yes, then you have to keep watching this video. I'll get ready also, and I'll tell you how I manage to do my CFA exam along with working full time. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanishka and in today's video I'm gonna tell you how I balance studying for a competitive exam like CFA along with my work life. In fact, today I have to go for a family friend's wedding and all this multitasking time management की वजह से I'm literally shooting this video while getting ready. So end तक देखना, also see my look and let's get talking. But before that, if you're new to this channel then please take a minute and hit that subscribe button guys. I really have a vision which only you can help me achieve, so please कर दो. And if you're already a part of this channel, then thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. So to start with, I'm actually the worst at time management. Literally, I keep saying this and I don't just say it to say it. I really mean that I'm not very good at time management. And that's why I give my CFA level 1 and level 2 without, you know, working. Like level 2 में because deferrals हो गए COVID के, so that's when I actually took up freelancing and I did that very consciously. It's not that jobs नहीं मिल रहे थे. In fact, I got a job at Deutsche Bank that I left because I knew that I cannot manage it. But because level 3 में मैं इतनी बार fail हो गई, मतलब 2 बार, and once you start earning money जो मैंने किया था level 2 में through freelancing, तो चस्का लग जाता है. And I wanted to try it out. I wanted to make sure that my level 3 exam this time, the third attempt that I'm giving, तो पैसे मैं दूँ. पता नहीं क्यों, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि my parents wouldn't have helped me. I know they would have. But मुझे नहीं कराना था, मुझे खुद करना था, आत्मनिर्भर बनना था. And so this time I'm kind of working. I'm not doing a job per se, for any of you who may have that doubt. Sorry guys, I'm looking there because that's the mirror and I'm not very good at makeup anyways. So like I said, I'm not doing a job per se anymore, but I'm working as a freelancer. So currently I have one project that's going on. I'm a project manager for that place. And apart from that, I'm a full-time content creator. I also take private consultations for this. You guys know it. Some of you know it, some of you do not. And इसकी वजह से मेरा काफ़ी दिन चला जाता है. Also, समथिंग दैट आई हैव टू ऐड, अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल थिंक कि यार कंटेंट क्रिएटर तो मतलब काम नहीं होगा, बहुत ज़्यादा काम होता है. लाइक इट इज़ एक्चुअली a more full time job than what I was doing when I was on my job, because I'm literally working Monday to Sunday. एक भी दिन की ऐसा छुट्टी नहीं मिलती. So yeah, it is quite taxing if I might put it out like that. So now I'll tell you how am I managing my level 3 or what have I learned from this entire process. Number one is acceptance, right? You need to accept that if you're working while giving this exam, तो पढ़ाई वैसे नहीं होने वाली जैसे आपके लेवल 1 2 या तब होती थी जब आप अर्न नहीं कर रहे थे या काम नहीं कर रहे थे, because obviously you will have much lesser time. Also, anything that's paying you, right, especially for the people who are doing a job, anything that's paying you, has trusted you, deserves that much कि आप उतनी लॉयल्टी उनको दो अपनी पढ़ाई से भी ज़्यादा, right? That is how it is. That is how the world revolves. There's no two ways about it. If I'm committing to give videos to you guys and you are subscribing to my channel, it is my moral responsibility कि मैं आपको ये deliver करूँ no matter what, right? So first things first, you need to accept that कि भाई चीज़ें same तो नहीं होने वाली, अब थोड़ी सी difference आएगी, थोड़ी सी चीज़ें होंगी. एंड उसी एक्सेप्टेंस पॉइंट को आगे बढ़ाते हुए यू नीड टू एक्सेप्ट कि रोज पढ़ाई नहीं होगी. कुछ दिन होंगे where your work will demand a little bit more from you. कुछ दिन होंगे where your personal life will come in like today and you won't be able to, like since the last 2 days, कल and आज, today is a Tuesday by the way, मेरी कोई पढ़ाई नहीं हुई है because कल मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा काम आ गया था suddenly, and then my best friend who's from Australia is also going back. So I had to meet her. It's not that I will not meet her because she's leaving, right? अब 6-7 महीने तक हम नहीं मिलेंगे, वो भी पता नहीं. You don't know where life takes you, you don't know what's gonna happen. So I wanted to meet her. That conscious decisions और काम, like I said, आप वो छोड़ ही नहीं सकते because it's a moral damn responsibility कि वो तो भाई करना ही है. There are no two ways about that. तो acceptance, and you need to, like I said, accept कि रोज पढ़ाई नहीं होगी. It's not. तो मेरे हफ्ते में अभी हो रहा है कि 2-3 दिन पढ़ाई हो जाती है, बाकी नहीं होता, right? Number two that I really want to call out for anybody who says कि भाई मैं ना पूरा वीकेंड निकाल लूंगा, पूरा वीकेंड पढ़ने बैठूंगा, ऐसा नहीं होता, राइट? लाइक आई सेड, आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ भी होती है, आपकी कुछ मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज भी होती है, कुछ सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होती है, एंड आई डोंट मीन पार्टिंग एंड ऑल, बट आई मीन टुवर्ड्स योर फैमिली, राइट? यू कांट जस्ट इग्नोर एवरीबडी. आई नो दैट वी डू इन अ कंपेटिटिव एग्जाम, बट स्टिल कहीं ना कहीं एक वो हो ही जाता है कि यार थोड़ा तो आपको और भी चीजें करनी होती है अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ. जो लोग काम कर रहे होते हैं उनको डॉक्टर के पास जाने का टाइम नहीं होता वीकडेज पे, राइट? तो फिर हाउ डू यू डू ऑल दीज थिंग्स? यू हैव टू समवेयर, यू नो, अलाउ इट, गिव द वीकेंड द टाइम फॉर एवरीथिंग, नॉट जस्ट पढ़ाई. तो पूरा वीकेंड निकालने वाला चीज इज नॉट गोना हैपन. इंस्टेड, what I like to do is take a longer exam time. So for example CFA में, I don't know about CA, फॉर एग्जाम्पल CFA में वी कैन चूज कि हमें कब एग्जाम देना है, लेवल 1 लेवल 2. तो लेवल 2 अगर सपोज आपने नवंबर में दिया, आपने क्लियर कर लिया जैन में, डोंट चूज level 3 immediately in Feb if you've just started working. Don't even choose August if you've just started working. Take the next February option. Take a longer time frame, right? क्योंकि आपको थोड़ा सा टाइम ज्यादा लगेगा, काम में भी एडजस्ट करना है, रूटीन समझने में टाइम लगेगा. तो you need to accept these changes, right? And that's how it will work. That's how things are gonna go in your favor. तो ये longer time frame के चक्कर में ही हम आगे बढ़ पाएंगे. That works. Number 3, set realistic goals. Don't, you know, just do anything for the heck of it कि भाई मैंने ना लेवल 1 में ऐसे पढ़ाई की थी, लेवल 2 में ऐसे पढ़ाई की थी, तब मैं अब भी ये करूँगा. नहीं होने वाला. आप एक दिन में मैक्स हाफ एन आवर पढ़ पाओगे, मैक्स 1 घंटा पढ़ पाओगे. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, यू नो. आई एम एक्सेप्टिंग कि भाई छोटी छोटी चीजें भी प्रोग्रेस है. जस्ट बिकॉज मैं अब दिन में 2 3 4 घंटे या 5 घंटे नहीं पढ़ पा रही हूँ, डजंट मीन कि पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही. पढ़ाई हो रही है, इवन इफ इट इज फॉर अ शॉर्टर टाइम फ्रेम. शॉर्टर रियलिस्टिक गोल्स is what's helping me manage. So yeah, I think these are the 3 things that I am doing: accepting, setting longer time frames, and setting shorter targets. One more thing that I would highly recommend is take some coaching. Like, you know, use external help. सब कुछ खुद नहीं होने वाला. If you are planning to do, थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है. I know coaching is expensive for some people, but it really makes your life easy क्योंकि वो understanding वाला part कम हो जाता है. So these are things that I do. And tell me what you do. एंड में मैं फाइनल लुक दिखा दूंगी, तो एक बार देखना, बोलना मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ. And yeah, with that, we're ending this video. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you have some tips or that you are following and even I can benefit off, so please मुझे भी बता देना, because I also really need them. And yeah, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.